guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I make my cow heel or cow foot beef soup. So here I have all my ground provisions. I'll be using plantains, cassava, sweet potatoes, and some eddos. I have my washed cow foot and beef here, and I'll be using some bell peppers, onions. I have all my herbs, some scotch bonnet pepper. For the herbs, I have thyme, basil, parsley, and some scallion. I'll be using some carrots as well as some split peas and some minced garlic. For the seasoning, I have garlic and onion powder, mushroom seasoning, bouillon, black pepper, some beef noodle soup, and some pumpkin soup mix. So first things first, I like to pressure my cow foot and beef. So here I've added it into my pressure cooker. I will add some water and 1 tablespoon of salt just to add a bit of taste while it's pressuring. We'll pressure for about an hour. 20 minutes before it's done, we'll add the beef and allow that to pressure as well. To a preheated pot, I've added some oil. Now we'll go in with our aromatics and the herbs. Mix well and allow them to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we will add our split peas here. Make sure you soak your split peas overnight or for about 6 hours before adding it, or else it will be tough and it will not cook along with the rest of the ingredients. Then we will add our ground provisions. We'll also add our beef and cow foot in here. We'll add some hot water and we will add our seasoning to add a bit of flavor and taste. What I did was remove the noodles from my soup mix because I didn't want them in here, and I just added it to the pot. Mix well, cover, and allow this to simmer on medium-low heat until everything is nice and tender and it's thickened. After about 30 minutes, the soup seems to be completed. So lastly, we will add some okra, which is optional, and we will go in with some dumplings. I can leave the ingredients for the dumplings down in the description box for those that are interested, but most people should know by now how to make dumplings. We will allow this to go for about 8 to 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, our soup is all done. Now we can get ready to serve and enjoy. And here you have it, my version of cow foot beef soup. When I tell you I truly enjoy this, it was literal heaven. The cow foot was velvet and just melting in my mouth. Look at that money shot. Perfect. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.